the section with the naked lady, I can attest to that, where at Enna Manley I was just placed in front of this naked figure. I was so shocked out of my wits.
Arts Workfly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and you already know it's popcorn and an art movie. So today is just a chill day. My hair is not looking too well and I have my popcorn here. So you grab yours and let us begin. So today we are going to watch Painting with Mr. Bean. I think that's the name of the episode. So we are going to watch it today. So without further ado, let us begin. Let's fly on into it. Artwork fly. Alright, so basically Mr. Bean is at an open day and he's just looking around the school and so on and messing with what he can mess with. For persons don't know, I think when you watch the intro of these episode, you can see that they're basically saying Mr. Bean is an alien or something like that, because he basically fell from the sky. Anyways, it's movie night, not reaction night, so
ça c'est formidable, but I think là. Oh, bonjour, please come in.
artists like that, very welcoming.
Please, là. Oui. Ah, inspired.
Inspired.
Banana, magnifique. But I think
Details is very important, students.
Okay, class, please. Changer. Là.
Okay, so the teacher changed the composition from a still life to a figure drawing, but he did not realize. So he's basically drawing the boobs and he did not realize.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Ah.
The eye, the nose, and the mouth. Eyes, nose, and mouth.
The colors, huh? The body. Ooh, the body. The body. Yes, you must look. Feel it. Feel it. Smile.
Well done, I say. Well done. Okay, that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Simply the episode. Basically, it's a being in drawing class, so I guess the title was incorrect. So it's basically in drawing class and he's learning how to draw. Alright? So you can comment down below and tell me, do you think it's the same thing that happens in art class? When the teacher says, inspire! Oh, come. Do you think it is the same thing that happens with every art teacher? Does every art teacher really do that though? Come on now. What do you think? Comment down below. Also, the section with the naked lady, I can attest to that where at Enna Manley, I was just placed in front of this naked figure. I was so shocked out of my wits because I've never experienced that before. They should have warned me because I was not experienced like that drawing a naked lady until that day of applying to Edna, and they told me to come in for an art exam and all sort of things. I was not exposed to that until that day. So, guys, were you as shocked as Mr. Bean as I was? It was the same reaction with me, with Mr. Bean. What do you think of his drawing though? Comment down below and tell me what you think of his drawing. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching, and that is it for today. See you next time on Popcorn and an Art Movie with Artwork Fly. Bye guys, Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.